Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from Mahat Skills University, and welcome to DHGate, one of the world's leading business-to-business cross-border e-commerce online transaction service platforms in the world. It operates in 255 countries and regions, has 2.54 million registered suppliers, 59.6 million registered buyers, with 37 million available products for distribution. And it was founded by Diane Wang in 2004. I love this website. I love how it's designed, and I actually love what this company is trying to do. First, we're going to go up here and we're going to join. And just put in your email address and all the basic information. I'm going to be a wholesaler here. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Finish the puzzle here, and we're good to go. Now you're going to have to verify your email address. So I'm going to go to my email. I'm going to verify this and come back. Okay, so my email address has been verified. They gave me a generic nickname. Let's go over to the home page, and that's how this looks. And I'm in the US. I'm going to go over to my DHGate, and you see my options over here down to the right. If I click on drop shipping, if I have product there, it would be here. On the left here, I have another menu, and my profile is down on the bottom. I'll click on that. And here I can just change a few things, but if I fill this out, I'll receive 200 points, by the way. There's a menu there. And again, my DHGate's over here. If I have any disputed items, they'll be right here. Let's click on my DHGate. Over here, I'm a D0. D stands for drop shipper. There are also options over here to the right, with more options below. Payments waiting, disputes, what's shipped, etc. Over to the left, we can delete our account and do a few other things. Go back to profile. And again, if I fill this out, I'll get 200 points. And we'll talk about the memberships in a second. These are called loyalty points. Let's edit this. And I want to put in Mad Skills University here. I'm not going to fill all of this out, but later when I start drop shipping, which I will do that. And normally I'll put my logo there as well. But my email address has been confirmed and verified. If I scroll down, these are my interests. You can also edit that. Let's go back up here to the top menu to my DHGate. These are store memberships. Store memberships are new, but they would apply to a specific store that you shop frequently. If I go to the left and click on D membership levels, there's a D1 and 100, 500 to 10,000. And if I fill the information out, I'll be 200 about right there. These memberships are based on loyalty and frequency in purchases. And there's a VIP membership, a super VIP, and a diamond membership. And it gives you steeper savings, exclusive product offerings, faster checkout, faster shipping, and things like that. And here's some more details. So here's your D0 to D5 VIP. Let's go to the main page, click on the DHGate logo. In the main menu, we have new arrivals, verified sellers, wholesale trending, and DHGate selected. We'll get back to that in a minute. Any saved favorites will be right here. If I want to look at coupons, buyer protection, customer service, options are here. I can submit a complaint right there. Of course, I'm in the US, but you can change your country as well as your language right here. If I click on coupons, these are the coupons I can grab. A lot of times too, when you check out, they'll have a coupon when you check out. And I'll show you that later. VIP exclusive, fast refund, secure payment. There's a VIP discount there. I can also customize products. So I love that about them. And they also rate their suppliers. I'll show you that later. Click on the DHGate logo again to go back to the main page. Here's my categories menu with submenus. So it makes navigating the site very simple. If I go to the right of my all categories menu option, I'll have flash deals. So these are the active flash deals going on right now. You can check those out. Here's recently listed. There's also a menu to the right. You can also explore. I'll click on the Coupon Center, and these are active and sold out coupons, but it does give you some ideas of how to get a few bucks off. Now we can check out the 5-star stores. Here we have the best deals and the best stores. So we have best sellers, we have best sellers with coupon offerings and things like that. Then we have just for you. So as I start buying them on, I have the rolling area. You may also like recommendations, things like that. Popular products, top selections, more choices. I'm just trying to give you an idea on how to navigate the site. $3 off every $40 purchase deals, discounts. So it's $3 for $40 with a max off of $30. Down here are some of the payment options. They have trade shows, webinars. This tells you about DHGate, what they do as a company. Let's go back to the main menu. We have new arrivals right here and premium products. Top rated, again, a submenu to the right or right menu. Gives you a discount as well. Here's your menu to the right. If you're looking for categories, back to the main menu. We have verified sellers. This tells you how long they've been with DHGate, what their overall approval rating is, how many orders they sold, and things like that. So that's good to know as a supplier. 4th year, 2nd year, 9th year. If I click on them, I can also get more information. So this is a particular company and all their new arrivals, any coupons they have available, top selling product, limited time offers, store memberships, reviews, and about them. So I love this part. So these are their top selling products, how many orders they sold, discounts. I love that. Let's go back to our main page. Now here's your wholesale trending products, but that's good to know as a supplier. You can order one, you have to order 50, 12 pieces at a time. You also want to make sure that they've sold at least 1,000 items with 4.5+ star reviews. When you do finally find a great supplier with great products, you're thinking to yourself, wow, this should be very successful, right? Nope, not necessarily, because that's only part of the equation. Remember, so has your competitors. And the market you're trying to sell to may be oversaturated and very competitive, whether it's online or in person. So how do you differentiate yourself from the herd? Now we have to ensure that we actually do have a winning product, a platform to sell that product, and more importantly, a winning creative or ad to guarantee the success of that product. One of the things I do suggest to people is that if you find a good low price product, give it away to friends. Have them post videos on social media. Have them go to your shop or wherever you have that ad running and put videos of them wearing that product or reviewing that product, or put pictures up on your shop coupled with a great review, because that's really going to give you credibility and also lead to word of mouth advertising, which really helps the end user make a decision to buy that product from you and not someone else. I'm just trying to show you around this site. So we've seen new arrivals, bestsellers. Here's sublimation and 3 off $40. Let's go back to sublimation for a minute. And these are special products that require a special sublimation code when you order them. You can also get free samples. On the left-hand side, you'll see different menu options for these supplementation products. If you look at the pink tumblers or the pink cups there, they will supplement it. These are certifications and different options for the ordering process. And these are basically items that have a sublimation code. You have special sublimation ink, and you can put these designs on them, your logo, anything you want, but they have to have the sublimation code. So keep that in mind. So when you order these, you need to make sure that you're ordering sublimation products. In the search bar, just type sublimation and whatever you're looking for. And now let's go back over here to DHGate, click on the logo, and go back to our main screen. If you want to download the app is right here. Click on Save More. Let's go back to our main screen. Click on DHGate.com. Let's go over to my DH page again. There are my options there. If I have a dispute, it's going to show it there. Click on my drop shipping. If I go to DHGate top sellers on the drop shipping, I'll get this. And this will give me the top 500 dropship suppliers. How many orders they have. If I click on this, I can look at the discount they have. They sell more in North America, Northern Europe, and Western Europe. Also, when you're looking at reviews, try to get reviews that are more current, like the same day, the same week, or the same month. So they give you a lot of information. I can also type in here what I'm looking for. They have an affiliate program, my coins. Here's my DHPay account. I can activate that to put money on it. Any favorites I want to save. Let's go back over to my DHGate. I can type in whatever I'm looking for, but here I'm going to type in drop shipping. So these are drop shipping products. I can look at it 4 stars and up. Best selling by price. It gives me a lot of options here and other menu options to the left. Guaranteed service, free samples, all that's up there as well. Another drop down menu with sub menus. Over here to the left. Health and beauty. That gives me just a slew of different health and beauty products. So if that's your niche, this is where you're going to go. Now, drop shipping, that's in a blog. It tells you how to do that, but I provided this link below. But that's what it looks like. And it tells you how to become a drop shipper. And this is what people are saying about that. So you can check this out. And this blog has a lot of information, so definitely check it out. Quality, affordability, customer service, and then steps needed to drop ship on DHGate, and it tells you exactly what to do. So once you find your niche, you find your product, find your suppliers, then you want to contact them. But just check out this page, and I have linked that below. And their blog is pretty good. You can also track your orders from DHGate, and how to track DHGate orders are right here. Terms and conditions are right there. Categories. Then the blog itself is dhgate.com/blog. I'll link that below as well. navigating refunds. There's a few videos up here you might want to check out. All right, let's go back to the main page. Again, it tells you how many years they've been with them, how many orders they've had in the last 3 years, how many orders they've placed, their positive feedback rating. And DHGate also gives them ratings, so I like that too. Seller name, years of service, orders, things like that. Fashion Mall, 4 years, 14,000 orders. So people like them. And you see a 1 for gold, 2 and 3. So it's gold, silver, and bronze. Trending products. You want to make sure that they have 4.5 to 5 stars and they've sold over 1,000 items are the ones you want to buy. Like if you don't see any reviews, then it's probably not a good ideal, but at least you can, so you can look at the company and see that everything this company has is down. Response rate, delivery time, and repurchase rate. And that's important. You want to know that. And again, try to look at recent reviews. I'm going to put something in my cart. So there's a coupon available. I'm going to add this to my cart. See how it appears to the right there. I can go to cart. And there's a coupon available. Description. When the sale ends. I can send them a message right here. I'll open that up in a new window. And I can send them a message. If I want to customize the item, I can put a photograph there, attach it. I can apply my coupon and check out. And I save $2. Woohoo! Now shipping will be shown on the next screen, so understand that. Fast refunds, different things like that. A basic shopping cart. Read the information. It's going to the US. In this case, look at my cart now. It says 1 item. Let's go back over there. Click on the trash can to delete that. And now it's gone. Let's go back to our main page. So here I have first come up to 90% off. Different item selections there. If I scroll down, I'll get top ranking. I'll get shipped within 72 hours only. And they understand about shipping. They can't do anything about customs delays, but they want to ship it out to you fast. You may also like, based on my history, and there's just a slew of items here. It goes on and on. I can also sign out down here, learn more about DHGate, buyer's FAQ, and protection plans. But if you find the item you like here, you can go to Amazon or eBay or other places and marketplaces and compare it. These items sell. 1,600 of those have sold already. And there's a coupon, reviews, transactions, 1 piece versus 100 pieces. I can look at the store and see what the service score is from DHGate. So a few things are up and a few things are down. But you want to pay attention to that. And the fact that they give it to you, I think is phenomenal. So again, we have verified sellers, wholesale trending, DHGate selected, and new arrivals. Like I said, this site is well designed. So I think we're done for the day. That gives you an idea of how to navigate that site. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great, creative, and prosperous day.